This is Henrik from Odinsberg. I just want to show you how I install the Ragnarok bags on my motorcycle. This is the 30-liter version, and here on the sides, on my side rack, I have the 15-liter version, and on the front crash bars, I have the 7-liter version. Basically, these bags you can mount on any type of bags, and what I do in this case, I put it like sideways, and you basically have 6 mounting points. So on the bottom and on the top, you have these ones. So what I do, normally you have some kind of slit here on the top rack. So what I do is that I put through one of those basically holes here, and then I put it back into the loop here on the side. That kind of locks it in place, and then I put it through the molly webbing on the side of the bag, and then I look through the loop here on the front of the bag, and then I pull tight. We have the same system here, so basically what I do is the same. Run through the strap here and run it through the loop on the bottom of the bag, and then I connect it on the sides. And if you see here, I've already connected the quick release buckles to the rack. So basically what I do here is that I just put them back into the webbing on the sides, like so, so yeah. And then I just pull everything, I go around the bag and I just pull everything tight, make sure that it's more or less centered like this. And then I roll up if there's any remaining webbing, I roll it up like so, which prevents it from flapping around in the wind, and also kind of gives it another lock for potential slippage. These bags, as I said, now we have a 30-liter version here, we have 15-liter on the sides, and we have 7-liter versions of the front. You can put them anywhere, right? I could have 2 30-liter on the side and 1 15-liter on the top, so it's very versatile and modular. I could even put a 7-liter on top here. They connect in the strap here. That's a quick introduction to how to mount the Ragnarok adventure packs. Thank you.